Hello again, welcome back to Joe's Home Flavors. So today, and because we're approaching Valentine's Day, we're going to be preparing a very quick one, which is chocolate dip strawberries with the winter berries sauce and port wine. So for our recipe today, we're going to be needing some chocolate. We're going to be using some dark chocolate, some strawberries. So we have some blueberries and some raspberries, some winter berries and some port wine and some sugar, cinnamon and a little bit of vanilla extract, and we're set to go. So let's get on with our recipe. So we're going to be melting our chocolates in a bain-marie sort of situation. So we need a pot with a little bit of water. The water must not touch the bottom of our bowl. The only thing I added to this chocolate was 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and this will give it a good shine and without adding any flavor to the chocolate. So our strawberries need to be washed, obviously, and completely dry. They need to be dry, otherwise the chocolate will not hold on to them. We also need some greaseproof paper and a tray so we can lay our strawberries once we dip them, okay? Once the water starts boiling, you need to bring it down to a low heat simmer so you don't burn your chocolate, okay? In the meantime, we're going to prep our strawberries. So we have cleaned them and we have dried them. And now I'm going to draw some petals on them. So I'm going to go a cut like that, and then just pull it out a little bit, and then go on the other face, do it again and pull it out. Then again, like this, from the middle of the strawberry, do 4 petal-like cuts like that, and then just force them out a little bit. So on the junction of the 2 cuts, you go and do it once again, and then pull it out, pull it back a little bit, and then here again, smaller cut this time, pull it back. Here again, pull it back, and then here again, pull it back, and then just 1 cut on the center, like that, okay? And this is going to be our roses. So our chocolate is melted, and we now need to, and our strawberries are prepped as well, so we're now going to dip them in this chocolate and get them to rest on this greaseproof paper. We grab them by the stem and just dip them a little bit. We don't need to get too much chocolate on them, and we need obviously to see some of the strawberry as well. So here we go. So we're just going to reserve them here for a bit now, and we're going to get on with our sauce. So we're going to start our pan with sugar, and our port wine. Could also add a couple of drops of vanilla essence, like that, just to give it a little bit of a twang. And this will start to cook now and dissolve that sugar. So the idea is to reduce this port wine a little bit with that sugar, so it will give us a nice coating to our winter berries. Now our port wine is reducing beautifully, and the sugars start beginning to caramelize. And I'm going to add our fruits now. So we have some raspberries and some blueberries, which we're now going to caramelize in this port. Add a little bit of cinnamon, just a pinch. Okay, our sauce is cooked enough, so I'm going to turn off the hob now. Okay, we're going to sift our sauce now. Okay, so taken all the seeds and the peels of those winter berries off, so now we have only the sauce. So here we have our strawberries with our winter berries sauce or dip, and our strawberries, which are massive by the way, have been flower shaped as to look like a rose, but also so it has a good aspect to it, a nice sort of effect, but it will also allow for more chocolate to get actually in the actual strawberry. And then if that wasn't enough, then we have this dip, which is made of, as you know, of winter berries and a reduction of port wine, and this is how we're supposed to eat it. If you think strawberries and chocolate wasn't good enough, you need to try this dip. Beautiful, absolutely lush. Thank you very much for watching this one recipe again, and if you want to know how I did this, all the portions and everything, just go on joeshomeflavors.com. I'll leave the recipe there along with some photos, and give me a thumbs up if you can, and share with your friends. This is a quick one, but I promise you it's a very good one as well, and it looks lush and it tastes lush as well. So yeah, share with your friends and your family, and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a nice Valentine. Bye bye.